Yeah, blessed evening or blessed whatever time it is. It's always a great appreciation for you tuning in and watching our movies. I really appreciate it. I've been receiving a lot of call. You know what I mean? I talk to you when I can. So bless yourself, man. Watch a movie, subscribe, like, share.
Get you, I got you those clothes. Yeah, make me just a little bit. No, wait.
Well, that's all good. I'm kind of. You're interested though.
Yeah.
Which I can be cold enough to get the kite over there. Love. You get the favorite though.
That's sun up.
So we are do later.
Not sure.
Watch I go reach stuff here when done. So enjoy yourself, you watch them jump off of the wall.
I mean, the people don't know what you do. You have to think we don't know what you do, not true?
What
You
me I do?
try and make up back everything what you do. Just because of you make an ex come spell with it. You try buy me burger, you try this, that. You can't use food or anything, right?
And the bribe me and bribe you. Let us show you some love you and I'm really sorry because I thought it would work out different. I think say next man that come to just come bam and go yard, but anyway, we don't done after that. The past you find out say I'm ex but me and I'm not that hard. Done after that. We've got the water and the bridge. Let's move on to better things and more prosperity.
So you ready?
Yeah man, curve. You don't need to carry out you want.
Make her.
Bring it up tonight, put tonight car. I'm going to go cafe find something different, come put that on the chair home, put it on the fridge or anything. Today I feel the air.
Yeah, make sure.
I just scared anything you want today. Good. Long as I can afford it, right?
Just barging, so.
You know, if I catch market China is somebody that more and do.
No, that's nobody.
So you there though?
I'm good. There, lie down.
Oh boy, yeah, I don't know what today hot so. Then say have a heat wave, but this is more than a heat wave.
When I have more heat coming your way because it makes soup feel.
That's my favorite, you know. Soup is my favorite.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. My contract. But your contract are yours. Boy, you look like a mad out. Where say I go on now? Where's the no? Talk to them. Cause me know you know.
Well, me tell you, Rasta is story here. I just sit here, man. She mash up the whole, you know, when you make the mash up, she put me in a deep spot to me take the whole lot of people their money because I contract me there go buy a house, you know. And
Don't
they send
make
me a whole lot of money to,
Yes.
to finish the whole top part of the house.
If anything happen, I don't know about, it not happen. The people them who for money you get mixed up, them a plan to get some big liar on the case. Them a try to link bold liar. We fight for bold for the SSL scandal when they thief all of the money. I saw them a get to big liar when they done this to them say go rot in a jailhouse. You understand? So if I mean like
me, you didn't say a lady scam me and stuff.
me know so I just stay. Me try to talk to them, me tell them say see them something to me, you know.
So wait there. Say tell me say Tony drop in a hole. Matter of fact, the same hole with the same woman. No, sir. I'm going to talk with me here, yeah. Talk more.
B, you see, same thing I say what happened to man, happened to men, not a shot. Influence him to put her name in her account, just like how she influenced me and take all of the money out of her account when get to build one house.
Yeah,
So now the people them want to deal with want so they want to swim now.
So what you gonna do?
Right now, I don't even know what I do right now. Cause right now, my main objective right now is just to find. You know, call there or nothing. Cause right now,
No contact with me.
I feel for like just so my time now I go to prison. I feel like we just hunt her down and kill her.
Well,
And it's true, me I tell you, more time I think about it and I say.
nothing but us of
her,
her,
man.
man.
Prison.
Because you see,
Cause she put me in a situation where I see her right now, I cut off her head.
that's a situation. I tell you one thing. You see, if you never got foul rules, foul no shit on you. You know what I mean? So are you invite her into your account? She never want to go on point, you know, so you have to look on myself at fault.
But she tell me a thing, Rasta. I think she abide by that. She said she put my name in a her account. So I put my her name in my account. So I just do it and done. And she said she go over.
Hey, me can't but in them?
What you say?
Me asking a question now. How long you and her talk for? Matter for what?
Go.
How long you there for?
Like 2.5 weeks or maybe 1.5.
2.5 weeks or what? Jesus Christ. I me and him there for months.
I really know.
Matter of fact, look how long me and him there. That would have put for me name in him bank book. Are you wrong and trust woman so fast? Brother, you don't have no sense. I tell the truth. You don't have no sense. Can't believe this. This not real.
But anyway, if me hear from her, I will let you know.
Just make me know.
Yeah, we can find. Don't worry.
Call her, you tell me.
Yeah, we go make you know what I want.
If you come to Jamaica, what you tell me.
We didn't fail.
Alright, so anything go on, me tell her what I want. Alright? Because I just come off of the road and now, woman make some soup more drink and calm myself. It was a busy day. And every time, you see, same situation, listen to me. A $5 million, she goes to me directly, 10 years ago. Right? So,
At 5 million,
yeah.
At 6 million, me get for done upstairs.
But me I say, me know where I go through. You have to just live it though, because I'm still surviving. Me not stress about it. It's from the gone. What you have to think about now is think about how to hide and change your identity. Because they cannot find you, then you don't have to pay no money. Think about that. Go up in the hills. Nobody not in the hills. Start grow your ear, long looking natty. You know what I mean? Start changing, talk different. Like, hello motel. And when you go say talk to people, yo, hey, this is how I talk. So anytime somebody hear that, the voice change. Hide out. So now, you see, it's like you're black like a tire, white just make you white like Jesus. You Mr. Daddy, just get the meeting cream and die night. Zoops! And little night, what a night. When they say what part of the Michael
But
Jackson.
that costs money, Rasta.
Listen, no. Reaching. Easy.
Look here, hello.
Curry, listen up. Curry and Dettol. White yard.
I'm curry and toothpaste.
And toothpaste too.
Yeah.
Curry and toothpaste.
So why you don't use it?
Me no know about them.
But me I tell you, how you go get curry white? Me I say you can white like Jesus, like Michael
But
Jackson.
either way it costs money, me have to buy curry. Me have to buy toothpaste.
$6 million.
Come on.
Could you compare $6 million with $6,000? You can find $6,000 with ease, but you cannot find $6 million. You find $6,000, you go check Mr. Chin, you get BioClear, you get Alpha White, you get white in the morning and
But listen to me, sir.
Listen to me now. White by a man in the avenue one down there. Go on down there.
When me I work right now is a hand to mouth business. As me get that money, me have to spend it back in a this.
Alright, I'm tell you what you do. I'm going to give you advice, but I'm not bother. I'm going to lower it out. Because I'm going to tell you if you're going on a wheelchair. Like you're sick. Tell us you're not, no head. Your head gone. In a wheelchair. Put your
You don't see that thing to joke though?
10th floor. No head.
Joke me take me find
No, I'm teach
You
you
know
something.
that?
10th floor you're there. I see you look on you.
You know?
You're gone now. But anyway.
No, wait, may I get something because I say up on here. So may I give you one time last come here for rice here. Be must can't buy them back. You can't give them something here.
But yeah, some things on the next room now, we're not going to give them.
No, we can't take them on and go out here.
Yeah.
2 bundles, 2 plant here, rice.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to cook the rice, you can't.
I'll go to.
Wait, rice and butter.
Go to, go to.
Here, rice and butter. But we need to give 2 or something.
I like, man.
No, I don't
Yeah,
like
because
him.
for the night. Hello, me know you like young boy now. Hey girl, don't run for me now.
I don't like him.
From the first time I look, you say like young boy, that's time I start telling you I'm 16. Don't play your blood kiss for
Look
me
here,
now.
first thing first, look here. The man
The
said,
man no money, the man money gone.
I mean, say hungry, so we help him. What kind of spending on me?
No, yo, tonight, me
I
lock.
shall take everything
Me
I
lock
give
the
and
shop
take the
now.
server and give him too.
Yeah, give me so, give me so.
I don't lock the shop and me have the key, me have the locks and me have the lock the shop and carry you lock shop. Don't
Yo.
do that. And you don't shop at my shop.
Give me a soup, yeah, man. Give me a soup.
And my shop, so I lock it anytime I feel like we go in the kitchen go get a soup.
B, you not know food.
I am not hungry. I eat already from there, so I don't feel it.
You know, the whole idea, you see I go on with the contract and fool, you know. But one thing I tell people say, people they laugh at me and say my ex go with my money, you know. But look how easy. She come back and tear the man the food. The man come here and buy and say, boy, all that money gone and he go eat me for work back and he has the money to buy the material and stress out. You don't go fire him and then go and swim on top of it because then give him the money and he can't find the money. You understand? So me just glad to have somebody else under me alone. Because I lose my million them same way. But then I'm a better position. But maybe I want to meet you still. Because I'm the hype. You know what I mean? You would have seen me, you could have talked to me because I'm float. You know, I want Benz, I want Beamer. Someone have the time to tap. You don't have to drive a Benz and me to really reach up to me and come to me. Because I move so fast. You know what I mean? So you never could have tell. So, but take what I take and go do what I do. So, I'm glad to meet you still. So, I'm not worry about them. The million of them lose, you know what I mean, much. Because you have a good money there. You cook the soup good. Only thing you look with salt. But I know that your taste bud different. Your taste things different than where me eat. You know what I mean? So, maybe to look at water in it. So, I gauge you back down. So, at least, I could engage you and save it. Thank you though. You do a good job. You wash, you know. You clothes them. The white one, them, you have to buy new clothes. But I don't mind that still. You know what I mean? But, that's how it goes.
Hello, don't do it. Because all of your white clothes them me wash them good. Yeah, don't do that. And the soup do not salt. And your taste buds are not good. You know, yeah, chat bro. Come out. Man, like I'm not afford that people do things for you.
I don't want you to feel so ungrateful now. Because that's some things, you know, this is about my opinion. Nothing know about, you know, take it to no disrespect or nothing like that, you know what I mean? Because I don't want the shop locked tonight, so I drop me around here. Alright, the clothes then watch. Clean, white like Jesus. So, drop me around.
Fire. You know, say, you're not easy though. Because, yeah, tell me, say, the same girl where Rob Fry, T Fry, take away millions of dollars them. You have the heart to make she come in here, come sleep beside me and you. What if me did left me card careless? Or if me did give her the card for go jam money for me so. Cause remember say to me say your sister, you know, mother believe me well believe say yes your sister. What if me did go give her the card now for she go jam money for me and she run off with the card, me give her the PIN number. Yeah, next one you don't have no heart. I keep on a talk about her 1 million times. I don't rate them style. I know so she run off with the money, but when you talk about I talk about her around me. Cause me feel a way about him, I don't like it. What kind of heart you have? You carry said woman in a year. Sleep on the said bed with your woman.
I apologize a million times. You know what I mean? So, let's baby. What she present herself with, me not really have the heart to put the baby out the road. You know what I mean? So, I try be a good Samaritan. I should have told you who she was, but Me know say you wanna sit well and she couldn't stay for the night that put her out to the baby. Wrong am I right?
Right, yes, but you could have at least keep the baby and put she out.
She not gonna go without her baby.
Well, I put out the two of them then. Because we do is wrong. I mean, like, me sure even left her for that too. If me never love him, would have gone a long time. That me I try to tell you.
Yeah, me know what I say, but we have the love that other people are fighting for. She really set me back though. Amount of money she take for me. If I could see piece of the money right and know me girl, would I interested in buy one car because you're a good man. I can trust you. Buy one car, I can't drive and I take no taxi again. Because them dirty think the taxi boy look point. You see them? I look pointless. Yo, so my time I feel like send a big stone in a taxi them when I look for you. I'm out tap till I stop with the tight up something them come and I look for you, say your fruits ripe and your bumper round and you roll it like a diamond and you English pound and you working money bring it come, you working money bring it come. Me no go for the liquor boy in your face what they kind of know me there, you know. And you working money bring it come. Yo, you see not even know. But I get some big jets. When nobody can see no part of you. It does straight like an arrow. When you see front part, go down to the back part, go down to the side part, go down to like a cardboard make it. Yeah man, more see. And tap your ear to no hairstyle and do no dipstick, no nah wear. But me I tell you, me go want you just dirty. Just like your dirty money.
You just not to like your dirty money.
Yeah, you well ragamuffin style, watch out. Me no nothing fancy. Not to a watch, not to a bling bling. Done in them life, the man. Yeah, that is it. Soup was good though. Yeah man, that means say no pie, bless.
What?
You say when the bell tribes they don't eat, we say in Jamaica, from your blood, you say you're not poison. Belch again, give thanks to life for job. Thank you for that food. You provided, oh Father, by the sweat of my brow. Burn it down to the ground at all times. I don't feel like I'm that though, but we just feel energy. But we'll go to tonight though.
Best thing idea goes.
Alright, that good. You can lie down now and go to something. I'm going to lie down. See that? Hold that.
How that?
Try it out there.
I'm prepare this to a piece, you know. But everyone, what is what? No, I should back here. I should have shown me
out. Just hear me out.
Me no want hear not what your officer what you do back here.
Lady, I'm just here to make amends, please. Fire, just hear me out. Come on. I'm just trying to give him back his money. Once bitten, twice shy. Please. That's all. I didn't come here for an argument. I don't want an argument. So I promise that.
So I
just want to make sure that you guys not only are set, but the money that I took, I give it back.
So where you come so close for?
What do you mean? I'm just giving. I'm still giving you your space.
So no, so the money there.
The money is there. I just need to discuss something.
Dear wait.
Why are you railing up? I'm just here. Please calm
Because
down.
me know
What I
why.
have to say.
Look here.
I have a big whale that is going to happen. I've got a big whale that I've got.
Me know why
and
you're from
he
you.
can get back his
So
money
you
that
know
way.
open your mouth and say
Listen.
something. You have your cuss, not true, you not say nothing, not true.
That's what I'm saying, Fire. Just listen.
What may I say now?
You say that she will here, come now after
No, you may I say.
What kind?
There's some boy get back
See,
money.
I am trying to be a flipping good Samaritan here just to give back what happened. And now your woman is accusing me, attacking me.
If you didn't know
I want to give back the money that I took. I got it from a big company. My girl, what you mean?
Calm down.
You should
Was
have
you there 10 years
Calm
ago?
down.
Was you there 10 years ago? Do you know my situation?
Alright. Second on me. Nice. You can't take a nice. You know, there's a man who like nice, you know. So we have to know.
Talk to you.
You say you got him back.
talk to your ex.
Talk to your woman.
You are ex for a reason.
Alright.
Your
Talk
girl.
to your ex for a reason.
Talk to your girl. I'm glad I'm an ex for a reason.
I know.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, calm down.
Thank you.
Calm down. Alright now. Let's get down to business now.
Really?
You say-
You want to get down to business now?
Yeah, are you gonna get back to business? Or you come here to
I came here to speak business and your chihuahua attacked me.
Don't,
Yeah?
don't,
Chihuahua.
Your chihuahua attacks me.
Oh,
no,
you want to see
no.
who's a chihuahua?
You must know, you must know, you must know. Listen to me. I don't have to listen to me and say no, you know.
You know what?
Because
I came here
really
for
and
peace.
truly, I need to hear what you have to say and do not. It has so much argument because you have stolen all my money
Yeah.
and you run away with it. And if you come back now, she's gonna feel that you're gonna do the same
Takes
thing
one
again.
to know one.
Alright, so
If I was gonna do the same thing, I would come here and try to discuss
where
it.
money there?
The money is not here as yet. I came to discuss how we're gonna give it to you. How you gonna get it.
So you're going so far.
So what you come with your I don't know.
I don't give a
You have a thing when you're wrong and strong, you know.
No, I'm not being wrong and strong. She
But you're
was in the wrong
strong.
first.
But you're
So
low,
deal
you're
with
low,
Brittany.
you're low.
Are you-
Brittany was in the wrong first.
You know, you
Brittany was in the wrong. I was calm. I came here calmly. I was very calm. And then you try and disturb.
Alright, do you want
Are you fresh up? Because are you take the money?
You want to come back tomorrow? Do you want to talk tomorrow then?
Listen, tomorrow I can come
Talk
back
now,
and discuss
talk now,
about the
talk
money.
now, talk now.
Oh, you want to talk? No.
You said that I wanted to talk now. Give me a
Talk,
chance. I
talk
even
now.
begged you for a chance.
Then
But
talk
you were
now.
raining up in my face.
Alright.
Yeah, put your face. Not put your
Alright.
face, people. I'm going to
Alright.
time.
Ready
You
now?
know what? I don't even want to
Ready,
sit down because I'm
ready.
not staying long
Ready
anyway.
now.
Don't stop on my sheet. Me not for
You
Talk
want to
now.
sit down in your dirty sheet,
Hello.
bro?
Hello.
Who? Dirty sheet. You know where I'm staying at? A top hotel, man.
Alright.
The
Deal with that.
money.
Yeah, at least I'm at a top hotel.
Hello.
With the teeth money. Chihuahua.
Hi, mongrel.
No, Chihuahua. I'm a pedigree, darling.
Hello.
No.
Calm down.
Look here. You're going
We can't hear una talk
You're
tomorrow.
going to mash up the bag.
Just come to talk about money.
Please, put it down. You're going to mash it up.
No, come.
You must
Yeah,
stop
she
it.
talk about millions. Where the money there?
I told you we need to discuss it.
So do I have to work for my own money again?
You're not working. I'm the one that's working for it. All you need
Oh,
to
so
do
tell
is
me.
get me a lift.
Alright. You're gonna go on now. Alright, to get my money, I have to give you a lift to where?
We're going to, you know, the big whale. I'll tell you exactly. We're going Mandeville.
We're going Mandeville.
Yeah.
I just have in Mandeville and I will pick up the money and I get my money.
Yes, you're gonna get your money, but it's not that simple. Okay? It's a simple mathematics.
Yeah,
but
no.
it's not that
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, you
You're
know.
not going to
So
man.
let me
You're
finish.
alone,
Step
Hold
outside. Wait. Step outside for a minute.
Yeah.
Let me talk to her, then we get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Just stay out and go right there. So I just talk to me. Come and talk to my
Take time
wife.
and
The
stand
bees.
up, please.
Alright, you listen now. What you saying now? She got a real teeth for sure. She go can cause he want us come and buy figure out 7 million, you know. What if I could thief the money from she this time? If she get 10 million, take it what I 10. You know what I mean? And then turn her in, make she get locked up.
Will you tell us some more no thief you there with? I don't want any thief, sir. Don't do it. And by the way, you and I got no Mandeville together because I do not trust her. And I not trust you because there's one reason why I do not trust you because I bring her in here, make she sleep right beside of me. That's the reason why I don't trust her. I did trust her, but I not trust her again.
Well, if you say not trust me and I still like them, now but do the lifting thing, we go just make so Ray and tell her say free. Go share, don't forget about the millions then.
You man?
But we go get back the money if we not do what it takes.
Okay.
I'm telling you better yet. Whichever vehicle I'm going in or whatever, you put your phone in it on.
Okay.
That means every conversation that we talk about already, straight to the world, we talk to straight through. Because I know some man, you know, whenever they on the floor, they want you to straight through. So you play like a them type of man there, but you are them type of woman there.
I'm a step on call with
You
it.
step on car straight through, because I know some man not do that. But you have to trust me though.
No, I can't trust her. I did trust her, I can't trust her again. And you make me don't trust her.
Alright, well, we build the bed, so I have to lay down in the night. Since I break a trust, it's okay. I'll put the phone in there, run straight through.
Okay.
If the phone, if you click off, it turn the car back instantly.
So how much days you now go for?
I don't know, I'm talk to her now until I will make
If I'm more than 1 day? Would
I
not
know
stay
more
in
than
the
one day.
same
Me a
room.
jump her up there. Me nah skip there.
Oh,
Me a
try
jump
me
her-
sure.
Me a jump her up there. Me a left her up there and then come back down and then go pick her up, come back and take money. You know how she a did, but more just hear what she a say.
She might rob you again.
No, this time me a plan for her.
You might
You see,
use it this time.
No. You listen, chicken out. It's like how she take the money from the contractor you. Me go line up the contractor you. Anytime I drop off, make contractor you turn up. Because moon one know say me get money to build a house and small TV. That's bad. That would up my conscience.
True.
Somebody will set up a link. Anytime she get the money or anything for go on now, the contractor will turn up with it. You can get back your money.
Yeah,
You understand me I say? So I use 1 stone kill 3 birds. You know what I mean? Alright, so
But if you try now some more money out of that too because
Yeah.
you know, so.
no man, if money come up, then every day man, you have to get money, man.
In a hot split in
Percentage, man. You know what I mean? Because we didn't know what the money there.
Our fault.
You see, I'm telling you one thing with me. Since I'm wire, it's if me and you there, and me, become all if I know you help me make the money, I'm gonna make like $7 million, at least $2 million for you, or 3. All if you not help me, I tell you, how I stay. Me no want me I tell you how I stay. Percentage.
Oh yeah, tell me how you stay.
I'm stay.
Me never see it.
No, because I don't get money like that yet. If we get $7 million, piece out of you, now for ask. Some people mean it, man. I know me that.
I mean 100,000 right.
Alright. Natasha. Yeah, come inside now. Alright. Me and my woman have a reason. She said alright. She go along with it, right? So what time would I move and how much do you go take?
It's gonna take 3 days, no longer than 3 days. That's all I need. I got big fish. You know, the only thing I would like to ask you, please, and thank you so very much. My apology for everything. The only thing I would ask of you, I do not want that contractor to see me. That's the only thing I want because you know already my daughter is, you know, abroad. She's in Canada. You know, my friend is with her godmother, and it's just for me to go over there. So what I need your help with is just for this big whale. You know, basically I've already got him on the hook. This is 20 million. So you get your 5 mil that I went away with. Everyone's happy. I get enough to live off. Even my nieces and nephew, they'll be okay. So that's all I'm just asking. Everyone gets a piece.
Alright. Sound like it makes sense. 3 day leave.
And in that 3 day, I promise you, it will be worth your while. You and your new girlfriend, you guys can make more.
This is my one girlfriend forever.
You and
You
your
see,
girlfriend, your wife.
You see Dexter that song forever. And me and her. Then sing it for. Yeah man, our anthem for
I'm
when
not
did
trying
that
to
song
dispute
will
that. The
So
only thing
yeah
I'm
man.
trying to do is to make amends. Okay? That's all I'm trying to do, to make amends for what I did. So you don't have to deal with me so harshly. Everybody's a win-win. I'm trying to show you that my mom was a politician, so it's in my blood. They tell you what they want, and once they get what they want, that's it. So it's not my fault. It's just in my blood. I can't help it, but I'm trying to make amends. At least I'm trying.
We not care about what go on already. Because I know if you get back the money they go good. So strictly professional is it. And
I'm on a professional level.
so we go push out when? Tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I'm not
Alright.
staying here. I know that.
Me now go drive in Markex, right?
Yeah.
More get a different van
But
to drive.
I just need you to give me a lift now to my hotel.
It's
You
a
can
walk,
come.
you walk, come so walk, go
I
back.
didn't walk, I had someone drop me, but
They make it safe money come back here, no, not my
Ah,
money.
don't worry yourself, don't worry yourself. I never care.
yeah, you can arrange something for
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Oh, so you're a help her?
No,
Alright.
I'm money to get this.
No, yeah, no,
We need the money, you know. We need my money because we work after the money.
Then call somebody
Yeah,
here,
man.
then
Brittany, he's gonna.
don't talk to me. Hello,
Alright, now.
I'm not talking to you, please.
Okay.
David,
Okay.
yeah, my dad pick up for me now. Yeah, pick up somebody on my yard and drop them know they want to go. Yeah, me
It's
give
a
money.
mongrel.
In the gate, yeah?
Look at this rat bat. Who you calling a mongrel? Look at you compared to me. Listen, let me go outside, go and wait. No.
Shut up.
Because I'm trying to to be professional
Hello,
and you're
hello.
trying to be a witch. No matter what, you can try and cut out your stomach and give a person they still don't appreciate. Listen, it's business that we're on. I'll see you tomorrow. Go on, Mom.
Jamaica.
Auntie, what do you do? You think you're in Canada? Yeah, I'm supposed to be in Canada, but hear what? Shh, don't let your dad or your brother know that I'm here. I'm gonna pay you 10 grand. I just need to stay here. I sent Desire
in the bathroom right now.
Yeah, I sent Desire over. I need some more money. I'm gonna make sure that you're set for life.
When me go hire you?
Just give me. I can stay in here. Just don't let your dad come in here. I'll give you the 10,000.
You sure?
I'm sure. Please.
I'm not playing.
I'll give you the 10,000. Just don't let your dad come in here. This is the 10 grand. Don't let your dad come in here,
You
please.
can hide someone in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, now you go hide it. Come on.
Sister, I Canada with it. Cause last time checking the auntie there Canada. So if auntie, I can't. So I Canada with the cause auntie there. Daddy!
What I know?
What?
Auntie give me 10,000
That's
so we
what
can
I'm
hide
saying.
down her house.
How you doing on the show?
Auntie, she give me 10,000 so we hide her. We can do something what I hate do. How much you want?
Yeah, give me some more like.
How much you want?
You must have. You know for the you know.
You better hold on to this.
What Canada is it?
Tomorrow, Gary.
I have to Canada with
What is? Tomorrow, Gary. This is chat too much.
No business.
Auntie, come here, better one. That is gonna sleep. We can back their house. We can sleep in their house.
Oh, one now, one boy. Where I come from?
Daddy, I true sister make me hide now cause it all late I'm drop asleep, so I just wake up and me there check if you're there. I don't know.
The two one can't ramp ramp so. Just a ramp ramp in a, yo, me have whole heap of things to do with a man. Me don't want to come wake me up again, you know. Just matter of fact, two one go on the bed now, man.
So we're ready guy.
But they get some help me, boy. See,
You know business.
what about your business, boy?
I wonder where Papa is. Thank God I already sent that Desire. This is so nice. Oh, I've been waiting how long for you? That's so cute. What took you so long,
Get my
bro?
foot on my machine, man.
Come on, bro.
Look at my life, you want to live now.
Yeah, but on a real note, I'm here to talk business, like, literally. What I really came here to talk about is, you know the contractor that I literally ripped off and went, well, I've secured Desire to go over, but I need some more funds so that when I'm there, I'm secure. And, you know, I don't have to come back or in any problem, I'm set. And I also want to make sure that Fire gets his cut. And I'll be giving you a percentage, just 25%. All I need you to let me know is if you see the contractor or my brother. I don't want any of them to see me until I literally fly out. I've already sent Desire with her godmom, and she will take care of her until I'm able to stabilize myself and reach, basically fly out. So
Are you up for the job or not?
Boy, cousin, I tell you the truth, you know. Me, everything what you saying about, you know what put in my mind when I say 25% me I get, but
That's a
all
lot.
not tell me how much money. It can
I'm
be
talking
$1.
no, I'm talking about actually 60 mil.
60 who? 60 mil?
Because you have to understand. This is big. That's why I don't want the contractor or my brother to know. Fire is the one who took me here. He's good. I just want to pay him back the money and try and rekindle something. So I'm giving you a percent. Don't fuck it up like what you did the last time. Please. See, can you do the job, bro?
Alright, you know, yeah, my cousin still, and when they are foreign, they send me money, and me gal out the money, and you come back, you never get none, and you say 25% out of that amount of money there. And I calculate it, yeah, me see a piece of food in there, but cause
And use
if
it
it's you
correctly,
are high
please.
fly, your contractor man, and your brother, you go and cause it 35%.
This money, cuz, is big. It's not little. So when I tell you 25%, remember Fire has to get his. If I give you that much and then give Fire, there'll be nothing. I'd have to do that again. So let's do one big thing. I need you to hit me from this one that I'm gonna rip off. This is big. Can you do that? You'll get more than the 30. I'll ensure that. And you know my word is my bond. Have I ever let you down? Can you do that for me? Can you hit me
Alright,
from this new one? This is big.
Listen. I understand, so you never let me down. Me good with the 25, but remember say they let me on fire, you know.
That's why I'm trying to make sure that he gets his cut. He has to get his cut.
So when
That's your best friend.
when next man we are rip off?
This is what I'm saying. You have to hide me from this one. Okay? I'm going to show you the picture. I'll show you everything that you need to know so you know him and everything about him as well. Okay?
No problem, I'm good at hide and seek. Hide and seek me playing.
Alright, so you can get dropped off.
Yes, 25% plus
Alright,
one look at 2 million aside, you know.
Alright. That can work. That can work. So we're all gonna be rich and happy.
So where's the daughter?
Pardon me. She's gone over because I sent her over with her godmother. So once I've settled myself, like, you know, she's gonna keep her. Once I organize myself a bit more better and stabilize myself, then yeah, I can fly over there. She'll be there waiting for me, her godmother. And I trust her totally and fully, 100%. She's been with me there from day one.
Yeah, that's how we are saying, cousin. But next time, don't tell nobody say you fly up because you can never fly a plane, you have a pan. But you need job.
You know what? You never change.
No, but you can't fly because you have to come on the plane.
I know. But I had to trick them so that I pull this one off.
Don't worry, the good pan them game, that game them play.
Right, I didn't.
You see, like how you spend a little money and you tell us me I put it up in a bank account for 2 sweet. Yeah, man, I see you.
You know you did me wrong there. You did the
No,
dirty
the
on
money
me
is
there.
too sweet.
You did too sweet.
Yeah.
And that means me and my daughter had to suffer.
No.
So good.
See, God put you up on
You
the
had
track.
2 girls, a wife and a side chick. Boy,
No, me
I
run-
couldn't
me
even
run them
play
with-
those games.
No, man, run them when they eat too much.
I know. Oh, wow.
The black one, she can
Wow.
chat. And she piss beg too. Yeah. She piss beg. I couldn't do with her.
Later, cuz.
Okay, cuz.
We'll talk later.
After what you do me,
What me do you?
me lock up in the shop.
I remember my name,
Nah,
remember.
brother, hide and seek with you.
But me can't hide and you love me.
No, me good.
Hey. I'm just checking in. What are you doing here? I'm just wanting to find out. Are you guys happy with the money that I left you?
Which money not talk about? Why first news me? Which money not talk about? Me not understand.
You know, the auntie let her a piece of money earlier today. But me not ready to tell you and daddy yet. But don't worry about that. Me go split up your future away.
I hope you guys take care of you guys self because I'm leaving. This is for life. I'll be here and anytime you want to contact me and come and see me, you can.
Go on, so. Where you want to be at?
Well, I'm there.
Oh, sit down there, son.
I'm leaving.
I don't want to listen to you.
I'm trying to explain something to you, but it's
I
like
don't want
you
to hear
don't
you
want
because
to hear
Canada.
nothing.
I Canada, you say
to
that.
you.
Canada,
yes,
you say
but
that.
I had to do what I need to do to get you what your daughter will
Yeah, like,
explain.
where baby there? Go down and sell it, baby.
She's in Canada
what
with
going
her
on, sir?
godmother. That's the point until I reach
Hear
over
you.
there.
Hear you. More hear what you have to say. You, what you have to say?
Me in a room, I come out. Me get grill up in and I come out and me Bob me see. I open the grill later.
You're not even call me. You're not even call my phone and say nothing to me.
I don't mean daddy.
Why you hitting my
I should
nephew?
mash up it on.
Why you hitting my nephew?
Alright, I don't want you.
What do you mean you don't want to hear nothing from you? You're going to hit me as well, Stop hitting them and calm the hell down. Calm down
Go
and
in,
find
go
out
in,
what.
sir.
Stay where you are. They need to explain something to you. What's wrong with you?
What
You
me
guys
say?
shouldn't
What
be
me say
living
for you?
like this. I'm leaving. Stop it.
Alright, man. Go in, sir.
Leave him alone. They need to explain something to you. And as soon as you get it through your head,
Tell me what I want. Shut up your mouth, man.
please
And
sit
tell
down.
me what I want.
Sit down. Sit down. I'm going to start this.
You hear daddy?
Nobody
What-
let me
what-
in.
what-
I
what-
opened the grill myself and came. Explain to your dad.
Tell
Tiara,
Let her in.
You're so lying.
explain to your dad. Stop.
What? Who has someone want to tell me and not tell me?
Alright, we got them.
Come on, man.
Until she let her have the money earlier today. Me didn't want to tell you I'm king.
I'm going now.
But we go spin it.
You guys just lift
We got the
together.
money
I'll
for
see
each
you, bro. At the end of the day, Nakwa said I'm going now. I
And
need
you
them
are
to say
sweating and try to pay back the respect. It now works.
it doesn't matter.
You never see where money there. Where money?
Doesn't matter.
Where
We
money there?
grow together, one mom, one dad.
You come out and face, man. Come out and face, man.
This is what I can't take with you. You're so bloody aggressive
You know why
and we've
you
been
know,
fine. Oh, just take care of you guys. I'm leaving. Gotta go wrap this up. See you later.
You have to call slutty girl with you. That's a lie. That's a lie.
Try me.
We have blood for. We have pull you from my foot for. Should make you feel pain, you know. You don't feel pain back. You know, easy, you know. So, what are you today?
Well, I just go clean up the house and cook enough for you. And then relax.
Alright, so I'm thinking I could cook it early. Because I find every time I go home now from my woman, I say, oh, you not eat no food when I come home, like I eat a road. By the time I don't know if it's a 2 hours still. Because even one night, when I'm asleep, I talk about yesterday when I'm asleep, and she said, oh, name? And I say, you may call nobody name. 100 name I call them sleep, man. I tell her a bag of story. But hope so one idea she don't really see you now and me and you one place and somebody go call the name because you go know say you. You know what I mean? So alright, apart from that though, we tell about my ex though, right?
Which one?
The one from UK.
Oh, yeah. I want she come or something.
Yeah man, she there back here. And she went take your brother money what you know. Yeah man, and go with it. But she never left out to the island. She there same way. So she showed me. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell her brother. Yeah, make your brother can't get back your money. At 6 million, the line take family. She take 5 million from me first and go away. So she check back one night say she will give me back some of the money if you help her. So I drop her a mandeville for the and left him up there and come down. You know what I mean? So I somebody a mandeville him and scam her now. So when he scam me, he want to come down this side and then he go back. You know, go back and foreign, right? Because as crazy scamming she deal with. But if your brother get caught up in night, go put his name in the account. And so, you understand? And she just take all her money. So, that's that. So, more do the right thing, man. Make your brother get fishy, you can get back your money. If you put your name in my account, what do I do? Yeah, call ya. Natasha. Yeah, man, alright, more do that. Later? Alright, yeah, man. You get a drive, come down. Alright then. So in the night we deal with that. I'm not telling nobody say the here. I'm not to silent, not to on the bush here, not to on the wall here. No, I'm not there for my girlfriend, I'm there for my wife there. Not no one, no. Yeah. I'm out of my business. Yeah, you're my ex, for a reason, right? So I'm just gonna get my money later and it may go. Alright. So I'll pick her up later. Just short call her brother.
Alright, almost.
Just call my time check me. Right now.
Hello? Yeah. First, I must check him right now. Here. Alright. I'm saying something.
Alright. Give me something. I don't know drinks in the fridge. Come on, give me some. Not give me this. Hopefully I'm gonna mash up this already before you come.
Here you go, alright?
Thanks.
I'm going to open that eye.
Good man. I'm just kind of cool. We can just cool off. Touch that.
Alright,
Where are we?
I'll go prepare something for you.
Do that now. Cause you know stuff is strong up. Why I don't know. Where you get so much energy from? Alright, bro. Pull about something for me for sure. You're smart, you know. Smart, you know. I mean, what you plan for me today, so. Alright. What about it?
Alright.
Hello.
Where are you?
Are you my contact?
What do you mean by me contact?
Cause I miss you and you're just deep on mine, so you can't come off from mine. Are you my contact?
Miss me?
Miss you.
After how you cheat me, you come and tell me say you miss me?
Me not treat you no way.
If you did miss me, how would you treat me how you did treat me when
Me
we
not
did
treat
there?
you no way. Brother, right now I know say and that restaurant there and me ain't supposed to have it. The restaurant they can't do what me do for you.
Your time is up.
My time can't
Rasta make me happy. While you appear sorrows and tears you bring in my life. I'm not up for that again.
I mean you're not up for that again. When me and the link, I just 1 or 2 times I ever have problem. Remember when we go up on the roller coaster, remember the DI beach, remember kids them who take picture with everybody and say you look like a happy family. You know, but all of that, I didn't mess it to keep me up on night time, you know. Brother, right now, if I know me and you and nobody.
Me tell you say it done, brother. What I mean if I know me and you? It done.
So we mean done, why?
Is there can I understand when me talk?
Why, Brittany, why do you feel so? Yo, I work now, okay, Brittany? Soon call her.
It done.
So now you can't go. How about going on the road?
Now you might come talk about how if I know me and him then no okay I go on for me.
I don't know about something.
Boy, them.
Go on.
There.
Yeah, go on inside.
Go see that journey.
I might want to know daddy. You see, how you go? Yeah. Right.
You alright, sis?
Yeah, me good.
We can't take the excitement. Yeah, daddy.
Oh,
you see, the lady said they left. Because me I talk to her, I ask her, I say, you have a man? She said, no. She have a man and she said, over. So we don't want country and all park. Everywhere you know, more man there, more woman there. More than man. Because the man them are dead. Right? So you have to look into that. So you find yourself a different girl. Differently. Come in an argument about it.
Well, an argument, man.
Yeah, man.
I just start me and him attack.
Yeah, but for now, I'm my one. Where say you can go on? Come on, let's don't talk here. Come in, bad boy. Don't worry yourself, man. You now come back here, let's don't go talk to you. You can't. You have a little machine, one left one here. Anybody come here with nothing to there, you know where you road. Before the money, you know what? You have big money now. You can apply feet.
Yeah,
I mean, a business.
Yes, you know, everything.
Yeah, I over 18, I got 22 now, so. But I said, differently now. I'm good news, daddy. That's why I said, call you.
Yeah.
I just look at your ex-brother-in-law and try to mash up my meds. I'm not thinking about that. No, I'm saying. Listen to something. Tonight, she get the money now. She get $20 million. So she'll give my 5 out tight.
So, woman.
You hear me? I said, no. Tonight, she a forward
Yeah, pick her up.
Yeah, we'll pick her up tonight. Cause she's a man devil, right? And since she's a man devil, yeah, you're not coming with tonight. I don't want to danger. I don't want to danger. Still, yeah. So, but now get a piece of money. You go alright. Daddy, anyway, come back over here. We'll tell you what I want. Come back over here. Focus on that. Yeah, babe. Look for something right there. Alright. Because them things are serious. I don't like that. You see, them are something. Kind of crowd business.
Yeah.
So I'm not really pressure, but I'm sure what's going on now. Check up. I have space. I know when I drive car go. I want to tap right in the container. And then when I come out of the car. So I want to go a leak. I want to left fire load in there. So you're not used to that. You're not used to do things. You go approach I know until I say you want back your things them. You go call police panel, lock her up and make sure you get work a friend, she give back your money. Same spot because she got money panel.
Yeah.
You understand? So all you have to do is that. Do not carry no knife, no gun or nothing to hurt her because we don't want the violence. Because if you get my money without the violence, you want to get back your money without the violence. She will give you money if you catch her. As well, she a thief, but no thief. She not no gun, she not no knife. I know. She just thief you and slide you and hide.
Yeah.
Alright? So, that. But daddy, you know, read me and use my card there.
Yeah.
Is the fact that you stick up to you keep your end of the bargain. You tell me, say, I give me a sister. Just to ensure, say. The ensure, say, you get back your money. So now, I give you the opportunity. So it's up to you now.
Thing with me, me the man of my word. So
Alright.
if say me I do that me I do. Me not
Yo,
go
daddy.
round the corner.
I'm happier now. I want to up so miserable and chat too much of my time. And everything good. So we get some nice treatment and so now when we go, no matter if she attack, I'm just not here, I just think about your sister.
I think about the nice
Yeah,
time.
the nice time when I have here, so I'm good. So everything good. So I'm anxious to get back your money.
Yeah.
So what you have to do, just remember what you have to do. All you have to
What
do.
time though?
I'm going to call you. Same time, I'll text you for your phone. I'll make you know exactly. So you're stop right at the wall, and wall be there.
Yeah.
Right at the wall, so. I'm going to stop exactly so and walk past you. And you go just go down my car and just take out the phone and video and say you call the police right now. If you use the police pan, she's afraid of police.
Yeah.
She have enough police friend, but so many policemen she have no friend. Because she friend with one and a friend with the next one. So you understand? So just know so you go tell the police, say, yo, that girl here, thief for money, and you have the accounting take it. You report, you know?
Yeah, me report everything on station. I go to station and tell them as it happen.
Alright. So that alone you have to do. Just say you're going to do a citizen arrest, or ex-arrest, or a citizen arrest, or whatever. So tell us, listen now, mama, you have to give me my money right now. So if you do that, you go on the road. So, here what? Remember, you know, text your phone to keep your phone active. Text your phone exactly when you drive.
Yeah.
Bam! And stop the night. Remember, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see that you
man kind of easy and all.
No worry yourself, man. Your daddy.
I'll get you back, you know.
Yeah, man. So, I'm not do on your thing. You know. Yeah, my brother-in-law now, you know.
Yeah, man.
So, everything good.
Everything
Alright?
good, man. I say alright.
Because I get my $5 million, you know. I feel good in myself. My $5 million girl.
Make sure you take care of my sister.
That $5 million, you know such piece of it here.
Yeah.
You understand?
Piece of it after me too.
No, but you get back for your $6 million.
No, but
What about your juice, man? Don't worry yourself. I'm brother-in-law, my daddy. Don't worry yourself,
Alright,
man.
that's alright.
So, because me and I go build a house out of that, now you get the work and you contractor. Me not build a house in daddy. And you hold that money and spend it
man,
back.
that's alright.
That's alright,
Really?
is it?
Yeah.
Ah. Alright, yeah, man. I'm going to get back your money. One thing.
Alright.
See alright now.
So far, you good?
Well, if me give you $1 million, where do it?
Invest.
You know what?
You know, so.
I have time to think about it. So tomorrow,
Exactly,
tomorrow,
just-
I give you $1 million for yourself. What am I get? Right? Just do what you want to do with it. But no matter if you want to take it by here, take it by here. You know what you want to do with it. But my advice though, spend it on something wise. You're a smart person, so I'm not worried about it. Do how you deal with it now. We give you some more. Alright?
Yeah.
Come on. She get the money, you know. And later, we go pick her up and collect free money out of it. And then him say go drop off or something there. you can't go to airport. But I know say not gonna prove if you can't go to airport.
Carry water, you take that.
So now line up on the bridge to carry her. When I don't give me that now. She do already give me back the money, but my money. The money could have more money could have make money.
She should have even put more money on that day. Based on the amount of years. Tax up on it, interest up on it.
Another me have plan for her. One line up contractor you would.
Yeah,
Right time foot me again. When the night, me a drop her right time foot. Make it two of them discuss it. So like how she have money on her, if she have a conscience, she give back the money make she can put it back for the people them build it. Because now she get a bigger money. You understand? She get 20 million now. You understand? So that is money that
With the money is $6 million.
the man never take the money from have enough money no, but if they suspect it, dog never has suffer.
I press the shift go.
Yeah,
She
man.
do too much in her life now, man.
That man
I can't call me, Chihuahua. Bright on face.
if you don't, I take some of the time, man.
No, somebody like she always crazy. I look on her.
That good still. So get the money there. Where we go do? Go buy some land of the money and buy one car. Where we go do?
Anything you say, you know? Yeah, next
All the
year.
pumps are land, man. Because land is more than car. So we go look for land. So roadside land. I'll try to make some link. Anybody who knows a lot with land in Island money, contact me. It's a front land. Like a yaso, you can put a shop on it. Or a bakery on it. Anybody apart, they can get them at this answer. We don't know if we bake yet, but we can learn to bake.
Yeah, I don't know if it's good.
Alright, we see them easier well then. You bake it, take them, and we sell them. They are cash stuff. You understand? Yeah man, because we have to figure out something in Jamaica and we can't do it. Unless you go up on the farmer program, go do some work and send money come send you.
Oh.
No.
So you can't go funny.
But you can't manage the coal. The coal and me are no friend.
Well, the call on me and a friend and that. We can't be coldness.
I grew up in a grew up in a hot place and I used to do this. We don't go on vacation, so we know say we go over and do coal, we come back on my hand. Then we don't want to build me now to come out, because I work me at work. When you work, you have to go out, you have to go out. You understand? That is it. Burn it down. I don't see that.
You can't took money make night care. What can I do with that?
Oh man, Mr. Burn it down, I mean, no,
That,
burn.
me no be, I do not.
No, I say burn it down.
Look where you go, yeah, man. Me
Me not say me like her.
That no say still.
Burn up, me say me-
Alright, I call to a man then. I call to
But
a
say
woman.
burn up though, say burn up.
No, I do not care.
Me not say nothing nice. If me just say burn look good or sweet or that, it'll be different.
This is what you want to say, yeah, man.
So hot.
You know, of course, but you may say no. Me not have the time for that now. We probably next week because I get tired of now.
Papayas. Going to my cousin.
And then after that now,
You're dropping me straight to the airport.
when I think more do that, you know, more job to make somebody carry go airport. You know.
Why can't you?
Because they have to, you know, as long as they give me my money.
I did.
Are
you happy with it?
But me say, you know.
Gave you more than the
I
amount.
Brittany want to see me now. Woman want to see me now. I have to go home. So you know,
Please, Fire.
I'm gonna make.
I need to get to my daughter.
Yes, the somebody who I'm gonna make bring you.
Please.
No.
Please, Fire. There's nothing. You're already dropping me. I told you. I'm hiding from the contractor.
No, what
I
I'm
do
saying
not
to you.
want him to catch
What I'm
me.
saying to you.
Please.
I have.
Understand me.
No,
I know you have something, but
I have
please, what
something
is
lined
it?
up for you. Somebody's gonna bring you. I done something. Don't worry about that, man. Right? So come on, let's go back on the road now. Me just carry you go to the place. Somebody just carry you go. Don't worry yourself. I see him fly. You know, the same flight you go catch one time. Come, go in the car.
Just feel safer with
No,
you.
don't feel safe with me. Go in the car. Them bro, them be safe with them. You're safe with them too.
why are we stopping here? I'm not supposed to even be here. You said we're gonna go see Papai, and then after that we can go. You're gonna have somebody to drop me because your beautiful new woman is more important than me getting to my child.
Because the Papa already will see your family, no more will lead them to go where you want to go. Because if you can't go make somebody carry that airport.
Why, Fire? Why? It's so close.
I will lead me. I'm piss fire in the car.
No. You're disgusting.
Take more to find her.
Fire! Fire! Come on, he found me. Come, look.
Come on.
What do you mean, look? Look, he found me. I told you we do not need to stop. You still stopped and you still had your lead.
No,
and look what happened. What do you mean you did have to take a lead? He almost killed me. But you don't care about nothing. You already got your money, so what? It's still revenge. Don't you get that I have a child?
Alright, now drop you off and go carry.
What do you mean you're gonna drop me if you're taking me straight there, please?
I'm not going there.
Fire, please don't let me have to. Take me there. I need to get to that flight. You saw what just happened. And this is what I was trying to avoid.
That's your lover. Don't stop from them. A man, somebody love you that them and now
no, he did.
No,
he almost killed me and I literally had to sort it out. I don't even know if he's dead.
Right now, I'll go left you out there, so and you to pick you up and you're going to carry straight.
Fire, you're
to the flight.
so well bent on
It's
this
an ex-police, ex-police.
I don't give a shit if he was a soldier. I'm just trying to let you know that I almost lost my life, but that doesn't matter to you. You got your money back.
Yes.
So your revenge is final. So if he had killed me now, my daughter would be living without a mom.
I'm not a killer, you love you.
Love me? That's not love. He doesn't love me. I robbed him, Fire. I told you, my mom is a politician. It's in our blood. But you didn't even forgive me. You don't even care. Look at your expression. He almost killed me. Please.
Yes, man, pick you up. This man, son. Go on a minute. Yeah, my daddy.
Fire.
Carry her to the airport. No stop at all. Go on, man. Go on with them. Go on with them. Go on with them. You have your money for your card and you pack light later.
Who is it?
You know I'm still hiding from that contractor, right? So,
I don't know. So that's I don't know.
I'm saying how the money thing, you're happy with your share that you got, your cut.
Of course. I say, the money just sweet.
Alright.
And where it's like I'm not that girl there. We have to get rid of them.
All I want you to do is not squander it like what you did the first time. Please. Okay? That's all I'm asking you to do. Just don't squander it. I have to go and make sure that everybody else have their thing and they're secure. Including
You man,
Fire.
see how to travel and be careful on the road in the court.
Alright, cause you don't know how it goes.
If you find nobody else to scam, me there.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Take where you take and go do what you do. See it? So we're up on the journey with our new location. I can't look, see that turn on with our new location. We're not the back of room again. We're now this room or anything from a free place same way, you know what I mean? But with the back and regular now, you know what I mean? I go and all advise and I go and put in the work as usual. We have a lot of things coming forward, so just stay tuned and keep your eye open, you know what I mean? So we on the verge of still looking new females for acting, you know what I mean? The reason why we not getting too much male yet, because we have to have a structure to deal with males, because males come with violence, you know what I mean? The female them come with more, they look at cussing and look at this and look at that. We can't pre-violence because why it defeat the purpose. We say we are build something forward, and plenty time, the more time we hear about gun and shooting is when I work with man, and so that free time we have enough youth to work with already still. So as time go on, we're gonna have different projects so we can interview different people for work. You know what I mean? To work with them same way. So we do collab with different people same way. So that is even easier. Long time I don't do a collab with nobody out the world. I would really like to work with that girl from the bartender. What's her name again? 5. You know what I mean? But I don't have no contact with her same way. But I always admire how she do her thing same way. So I just work, you know what I mean? So overall, I just want to see the movie industry get up and lift up, you know what I mean? But I think go on, whether you go and shoot off some movie idea, papa idea, body there, puppy down there, whole work there. So I work, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So we keep on blazing the fire. That is that, and you take what you take and you go do what you do. So yeah, again, you see the number up on the screen you can call for business. We do advertisement too, right? You have a product, you have a place or anything you want to get established, we do promotion for that too. So see the number there for business. Just call the number, you know what I mean? And yeah, no matter where you are, where you want to advertise, we get it to the people them. So if them watch it, them hear about your product, then hear about your business, hear about anything. So we do advertise, right? So just call us and we get it up and running. We're fighting a war here. I'm getting ready to launch a youth, what call it, a WhatsApp group for support. You know what I mean? Because you really go take what you take and go do what you do. Because you can see even the girl when I play football, they have to go fund me. It's just the same thing while you try to build your country. We're not doing this for just a paper change, you know what I mean? We're doing this for the culture, we're doing this for the love, we're doing it for the joy, because it's not like it's paying $1 billion, spend a lot of money, you know what I mean? So we do need support if you do what we do, to ensure, say, it can move to the next level. Because more I want to have it where we have a school where we teach people for acting and where they make it become a job where it's lucrative in the future. You know what I mean? We are trying to look into play to, we are trying to look at what we can do in the meantime. You know what I mean? To see how we go raise fund to carry it to the place we probably want to be. You know what I mean? Because we're not getting help so many time. So big up Empress G, big up all of the sponsors, big up all of the fans them where send a thing, a donation come. Yeah, it's well appreciated because it keep the thing going from time to time. You know what I mean? So long time I touch my live, I soon touch my live, you know what I mean? And then you know where you go, bunny down. Big up everybody from the UK, same way this big up Natasha in the UK, big up the whole network. You know, this a movie named X from UK part 2. You know what I mean? So I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment, you know what I mean? You never can tell. You know? Keep the fire blazing. Big up all the people them in the world. Big up everyone, the fans them, big up yourself, big up yourself. You call me tell them say what? Big up Guyana. Yeah, I think I get a call yesterday from Guyana. I get a call from all over the place. Big up on yourself.